Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is episode 5 of #QuarantineLearn. So in this video I'll be sharing with you 5 easy photoshoot ideas that you can do at your home in this quarantine. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So for the first photoshoot idea, I'm using this scarf. You can use any scarf which you have, or you can also use any bed sheet. You can put this scarf over your head like this and let the fabric flow on its own, and try giving different poses with this. You can keep your phone at one place, or you can also click selfies with this, and this is how the end result is looking. So here I've used a multicolored dupatta, but if you do not have this kind of dupatta, it is fine. You can click with plain colors as well. So the second photoshoot idea is by using this card paper. So first I'm making a small hole into it. You do not need to be clean with this process. You can do it anyhow, but see to it that the hole is not too big. So now that I've made this hole, place it close to your camera like this, and this will give a very pretty smoky colored effects. And if you are having a difficulty holding this and giving a pose, what you can do, use a sellotape and stick this card paper to your camera, and this will make everything easy. And this is how the result of this photo shoot is looking. So moving on to the third idea, for that you will require 2 cell phones. So first you need to go on Google and then download different color backgrounds in both the cell phones. So as you can see here, I have downloaded a bunch of them. So first you need to off your light, and only the screen light is enough for this photograph. Then keep both the hands in such a manner so that it cannot be seen in photos. Then you can try different backgrounds. And yeah, this is how my photos are looking. And trust me guys, these photos even did not require any editing. It was looking so natural and so beautiful. The fourth photography idea is using books or novels. So for this you will require a lot of books, at least 15 to 20 books you will require. First you need to open your books and lie it in this form so that it could form like a background for your photos. So after you have opened everything, it will look something like this. So next you have to just simply lie on this book and start giving poses. You can move your hands here and there. Then I've also added a cup of tea so that it could give variations to my pictures. So yeah, this is how the pictures are looking, and these ones are like my favorite photoshoot ideas with the books. So the next thing which you can do with the books are arrange it in this manner and open one novel as if you are reading the book and give a pose. So this is how the pictures are looking with these books. So coming on to the last idea, for which I am using this window. So for this shoot you will only require natural light, so you need to off your lights first. So you can see that this is how the natural light is looking. So this is like a sunset time around 6 to 7 o'clock in the evening. So you have to just simply stand near the window and try giving more of a natural look so that the pictures come more beautiful. So this is how the pictures from this photo shoot is looking. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye.